Hello folks, my name is Lance Pennington with Johnson RV. I'm going to walk you around a 2013 Holiday Rambler 36 footer today. So if you want to follow me, first of all, there's 3 slides on this coach. 1 full wall slide on the driver's side and 2 on the passenger side. As we make our way down the coach, you can see we've got full body paint. This particular coach is built on the Monaco Roadmaster chassis. And as we work our way back, I'll explain to you the powertrain. It's the 350 horse. It's a true 10,000 pound coach, which is a real compliment for a coach of this length. Typically, in order to get 10,000 pounds, you're normally at a 40-foot mark. So this 36 footer has got all the qualities of a bigger coach. It is a rear radiator coach. Again, it's the Max Force 350 horsepower. It puts out 1,150 foot-pounds of torque, and that's where you get your tow rating from. I know that's a huge point for a lot of diesel buyers. So again, a true 10,000 pound coach. So as you can see, again, the full body paint, full wall slide on the driver's side here, which really opens up the coach on the inside, as you'll see here in a moment. Large storage bays. There's your services. You've got a slide out tray on this particular compartment. Makes for easy access for whatever storage you may have in there. And just to clarify, you can do this from either side as far as this slide out tray goes. You can access it like this on the passenger side as well. Slam latch doors. Up front here, we're going to have our 8K generator, which is more than enough for a coach of this size. One of the key issues of a coach like this is the amount of ACs. This particular coach has 2 air conditioners. Again, the generator is going to support all the amenities that this coach has. So we'll work our way inside here, kind of point out some key features on the floor plan. Probably some of the biggest differences on this Holiday Rambler is the ultra soft leather and then the porcelain floor. This particular coach has very little wear. It only has 25,000 miles on it, and it is truly a like new coach. Here, of course, you're going to have a full couch. Dining chairs. You can extend the table. There's 2 extra folding chairs that pretty much look identical to the 2 standard chairs, so you can seat 4 if needed. As we work our way back, you'll see the fireplace, electric fireplace, and yes, it does emit some heat, so it will kind of cool or take the chill out of the area in this front part of the coach without having to turn your furnace on. Of course, your television, you've got some surround sound speakers throughout the coach and the ceiling. Gives you a nice TV experience. As we work our way back here, you got the Corian countertops, the true black splash, and a bathroom all in one. Some people don't prefer to have the shower separate from the bathroom, so everything, your toilet, your shower, and sink are all enclosed in one bathroom. Behind you here, you'll have your residential like fridge, all electric fridge. Of course, you're going to have similar to your standard home refrigerator as far as storage goes. As we work back here, we've got a vented closet. This coach doesn't have a washer and dryer, but it's plumbed for it. So if you were to add a washer and dryer, it would be as simple as plug and play, and you're on your way. As we work our way back into the bedroom, of course, you've got a nice dresser drawer set up. Also a place to sit, put your shoes on, things like that, get dressed. Then you got your full closet here. And of course, huge wardrobe. And the king bed, which again is a huge compliment to a coach of this size. To have a king bed, it's a select comfort bed. I'm sure everybody's pretty familiar with that. And that's pretty much your 36-foot holiday Rambler. If you have any more questions, feel free to call myself or anybody at 253-286-0833. Again, it's Lance Pennington with Johnson RV. Thank you.